The National Electrical Code, specifically Article 110.26a in the 2020 edition, outlines the working space requirements for electrical equipment operating at less than 600 volts, which includes your 460 volts, three-phase electrical motor. These requirements are crucial for ensuring the safety of personnel and facilitating proper maintenance and repair of the equipment. Regarding minimum clearance from live parts, meaning all live parts except the terminals of a motor or generator, the NEC specifies a minimum of 3 feet. This clearance provides sufficient space for workers to safely approach and work around the energized equipment without risk of accidental contact. Now, let's talk about minimum clearance from terminations, such as wires and lugs. To ground, the NEC requires a minimum clearance of 1 foot. To a wall or partition, the minimum clearance is 6 inches. These clearances help prevent accidental shorts and ensure that terminations are accessible for inspection and maintenance. Beyond the specific clearance requirements, there are several additional factors to consider. Firstly, access is paramount. Clear access to the motor must be provided for maintenance and repair. This means ensuring that there are no obstructions blocking the path to the motor and that there is sufficient space to maneuver tools and equipment. Secondly, ventilation is crucial. Adequate ventilation should be provided around the motor to prevent overheating. Motors generate heat during operation, and if this heat is not dissipated effectively, it can lead to premature failure or even fire hazards. Thirdly, belt guarding is essential. The belt drive should be properly guarded to prevent contact with the personnel. Moving belts can pose a significant safety hazard, and guards help to protect workers from accidental entanglement. Finally, hazardous locations are important to note. If the motor is installed in a hazardous location, additional precautions may be required. Hazardous locations are areas where flammable gases, vapors, or dust may be present, and special equipment and wiring methods are necessary to prevent explosions or fires. Let's discuss some recommended best practices to further enhance safety and efficiency. 1. Allow additional working space around the motor to facilitate maintenance and troubleshooting. While the NEC specifies minimum clearances, providing additional space can make it easier to perform tasks such as replacing components or diagnosing problems. 2. Install the motor on a platform or in a location that is easily accessible. This can reduce the need for awkward or dangerous positioning during maintenance and repair. 3. Provide adequate lighting around the motor for inspection and repair. Good lighting can improve visibility and reduce the risk of accidents. In summary, complying with the NEC working space requirements for your 460 volts three-phase electrical motor is essential for ensuring safety and facilitating proper maintenance. By adhering to the minimum clearance requirements, providing adequate access and ventilation, implementing belt guarding, and following recommended best practices, you can create a safe and efficient working environment. Remember to always consult the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local codes for specific requirements in your area. Electrical safety is paramount.